Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I permanently removed the switch connected to the motor in this jacuzzi tub. Safety first, I located the breaker used to control power to the jacuzzi motor and turned it off. Then I used a flathead screwdriver to remove the two screws from the wall plate and carefully removed it. Next, I used my Black & Decker cordless screwdriver to unscrew the switch from the outlet box and pulled it out. I could clearly see the black wires connected to the switch and the white wires tucked inside the outlet box. This is my Klein Tools contactless voltage tester. When you turn it on, it shows green light at the front indicating that it is ready for testing a live wire. I wanted to check which of the black wires connected to the switch is line and which one is load. When the switch is in off position, only one of the black wires should indicate current, the other one should not. Next, I turned off power from the breaker again and tested with the voltage tester to make sure there is no current before I could remove the wires from the switch. As you can see, the wires were backstabbed into the switch, so I had to use a long nose plier to remove the wires. I wrapped a piece of black tape around the black wire which I identified as hot or the line. Then with the wire cutter I cut off the exposed copper part of the black wires because they are not to be used again. Then I took two wire nuts and covered each of the two black wires. The next step was to pull out the two white neutral wires from the box, disconnect them and tap them separately. Once again, with the wire cutter, I cut off the exposed copper part of the white wires and covered them with wire nuts. After separating and terminating the line and load wires properly, I safely pushed the wires back into the outlet box. I left the ground wire connected to the outlet box as is. I used a nylon wall plate to cover the outlet box. I know I have line and neutral wires in this box and I can use it later for a light or an outlet box whenever I need it. And with that, I completed my project. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is useful. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, please take care.